Hi guys, good afternoon. So I just arrived from work and my wife informed me that I have a package today. So I'm very excited for this one. We have one package here and another. So we'll open this up now because we're excited. We know about this package and we're excited to open this. So the first package, I'm sure about this. This is the router that we're going to replace on Blade GT. So we're replacing the router of our Blade GT. Doesn't mean that it's not working. It's because the scooter or our son, the rotor are very crooked already, very bended. So there's a lot of squeaking in the brakes. So instead of buying a replacement rotor for our extra Thunder, we're going to replace our router for our Blade GT, and the router of our Blade GT is we're going to move that to our race. Yeah, so we have our router now. This is an I don't know, third pro disc brake expert. So, and this is a nice tech. We bought this from Shopee. It's very cheap, you know. Here it's 160 mm the size for this. So we'll be replacing our router for our Blade GT. Then Blade router of our GT, we're going to move it. We're going to place it in our Thunder Extra V3. The next package we received from J&T, and I'm excited about this one because yeah, here, shirt that less, any print for less, Team Tiveron Philippines. Yeah, so we got our shirt here. So our vendor, where we bought our Blade GT from Alpha Lifestyle, we got our riding shirt. We have here Tiveron on the side. Here we have, of course, the logo of our sponsor, Alpha Lifestyle. Thank you so much, Alpha Lifestyle, and thank you, Boss Pierre, for this riding shirt. So this will go very perfect with our Tiger Note chest bag, which also I bought it from Alpha Lifestyle. So again, thank you, Alpha Lifestyle, and thank you, Boss Pierre. Hey guys, perfect fit. You know, this I'm excited for our next ride. I'll be wearing this apparel with my chest bag if I need to bring my tools and, you know, wallet, cell phones, or whatnot. This is a perfect, you know, fit if you go riding, and also our just to prevent sun, you know, heat from the sun. So we have our Alpha Lifestyle Tiveron riding apparel. Thank you so much.
네. Hindi? Hindi?
So dapat ninyo
So guys, we're done changing our router, and as you can see, works great. It looks nice as well, and I'm loving it. So our scooter does not need the best brake in the market. No, we only need a good run, a good brake. And since we are standing when riding a kick scooter, the center of gravity keeps on changing, right? So if we're accelerating, pushing the rear end of our deck, and pushing the front end when braking. So to speak, our scooter is not designed for a rider to have a sudden stop, or else we'll be flying like Superman and kissing the pavement. So similar reason why most of high-end scooters have electronic ABS, just to help us slow down when letting go of the throttle. So again, it doesn't need the rider to become a scientist to know how to estimate when to slow down in traffic or intersection. So as long as you have a good brake, again, I mentioned a good, not necessarily the best, and know when to slow down and stop, then you'll be safe, and you'll have fun riding your scooter. So we're almost home. When braking, our brake pads is really compatible with our router right now. It's really nice, you know. So guys, a lot of question, what happened if the router at the front end is reversed? So it doesn't really matter since we're not speeding that much and we're not braking that much, right? So that's okay. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, mga bay. If you want to see more videos, have questions about your scooter, feel free to drop a comment. Let's have fun and learn together about scooters. Thank you and ride safe. Please subscribe.